Hello friends, in this video I'm going to solve the issue whenever I have just added the Firebase with the OTP authentication. So I'm facing the issue native Firebase auth configuration and error has occurred, configuration not found. To solve this issue, what we have to do, go to the authentication with that project, you go to the sign in method. So here I'm going to use my sign in method, that is a phone. Okay, so let me enable it and save it. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so we have to use the domain. Authorized domain would be example myapp.com, adding the domains from third party auth, that is localhost. Okay, and this is done. So let's go to the section project overview, project settings, where we have integrations, journal. There is the app here, com.tutorial. So we are going to download this again, google services.json, or we can just run with the. So I will going to reload this. So I'm going to fill in the code. Auth missing client identifier. Please check your logcat, and this meaning that neither safety checks or nor captcha. This request is missing. That previous error is gone, right? So next error is coming on, that auth missing client. This one is has some errors. That means previous one is fixed. So now we in the next video we are going to check with this one. The not it's copying properly. Copy paste. Okay, so now the errors gonna be changed with this one, so we will fix in the next one. So for auth configuration not found, that means you are not enable the sign in method or the email with the password. That one, if it is not going on, then again you need to download this google service.json and put it in your folder, then again compile the code, then run it. Definitely that native firebase error will gone. Okay, so in the next video we are going to remove this error, auth missing client identifier, this request is missing in logcat. Okay, so we are going to fix in the next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. This is basically a phone code authentication in React Native. So we are going to implement it. So we will get the full tutorial on that. Okay, so first of all, we are going to solve such kind of issues which are coming in mid of it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.